walk down there.
Your way. Alright, now let's walk down. Oh, he's got one there, Steve.
I didn't expect that to happen. You got long toe.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh my God. Don't worry, we'll give you a copy of it when we're done recording.
What up, Cube?
What's up?
What do you think, Cube? Think they're stuck?
I think they're stuck.
I think we could have given her hell, Cube. We could have got her out. Give her some reverse. Hey guys.
Someone to say goodbye. Still from here. No. Really? A pleasure. So, well, excellent. A pleasure.